Hi, this is Bethanne, and I just got an Instapot for Christmas. And so the first thing that I made was chicken breasts, but today I am going to show you how to make spaghetti with meat and sauce all at one time in the Instapot. It's really awesome. To get the recipe, you can just look right on Pinterest and follow my instructions. So I am making an Instapot video. And so what I did first was I turned on my Instapot on saute with the lid off, and I put in 1 pound ground beef, and I put in a teaspoon of onion seasoning, garlic seasoning, and Italian seasoning. When this is done, I'm going to drain the fat and put it back in the pot. So now I took a box of spaghetti and I broke the noodles in half and put them in the pot. On top of that, I am going to add diced tomatoes, a can of pasta sauce, and I am going to put the lid on and set it on manual, right there, for 8 minutes on high, and we'll see what happens. Before you put the lid on, you also want to make sure that you put in 36 ounces of water and make sure that the noodles are completely covered by the liquid. And here is the finished product. Delish. You have to stir it once it's done, by the way.